How to change country code on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end. Then, tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Phone. This page allows you to manage settings related to your calls, voicemail, and other phone features. Locate the option My Number, which clearly displays your phone number. Tap on this field to open the editing screen. On this screen, you can delete the existing number, including the old country code. Now, enter the new country code you wish to use, followed by the rest of your phone number. Once you are finished, make sure to tap Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. Following these steps, you can easily change the country code on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.